Now that you have your sticker designed in Cricut Design Space, you're ready to move on to part 2 of our tutorial on how to create stickers using your Cricut machine. In this video, we're going to go over the step-by-step instructions on what you do post-printing your sticker sheet. Again, I'm going to include step-by-step instructions in the description for the video, and I'm also going to include a list of all the materials I use with links to those products. Once your sticker sheet is printed, I recommend laminating them with a lamination sheet. This makes your stickers a little more durable and helps protect them if you're going to be using them on something like a water bottle. Before you adhere your lamination sheet to your stickers, cut it down to size so it fits within the registration lines on your sticker sheet. Cricut doesn't read glossy surfaces very well, so cutting down your lamination sheet will help it fit within those registration lines and will make it easier for your machine to read those lines and cut your stickers. Once your lamination sheet is cut, you're going to put it on your sticker sheet, making sure that it fits within those registration lines. Press one edge of your lamination sheet to the paper and then slowly smooth the rest of your lamination sheet over the top of your stickers. I like to use the scraper tool that comes with your Cricut machine for this process to help get out any air bubbles that might be in there and make sure that it's really smooth on the page. Once the lamination sheet is applied, I go over it a couple more times just to make sure that there's no air bubbles in there and that it really looks nice and smooth. If there are areas of your lamination sheet that are close to those registration lines, I recommend using a matte Scotch tape to cover those registration lines and then going over them with a black Sharpie marker. This will help your Cricut machine read those registration lines and the glossiness won't get in its way. Now you're ready to put your sticker sheet on your Cricut mat. I just use the green standard grip mat. Once your sheet is secure on your mat, you can load it into your Cricut machine, making sure that it's set to the poster board setting. After your mat is loaded, you're going to press the flashing C to start the cut. Cricut is going to pull your sticker sheet into the machine, and you're going to see how the sensor is going to start reading those registration lines. That's going to tell it the boundary that it needs to cut within so it can get an accurate cut around your stickers. Once it's done reading those registration lines, your Cricut machine is now ready to start cutting out each of your stickers. Once all of your stickers are done being cut, you're going to unload your mat. And then to get the stickers off of your mat, I just roll the back corner of the mat over and peel my stickers straight off of the sheet. The poster board setting really does a good job of cutting all the way through, and so it shouldn't be a problem to get all of the stickers off of the page. And voila, you've got stickers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, drop me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You can also follow me for more tutorials on beginner Cricut projects.